Hi, Mansi.
Hi,
How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Very well. Great. So let's get started. If you can give a brief introduction about yourself, which level you are in at the Super Parenting Hub, and what do you do, and what problem actually led you to start, our community and parent coaching.
So, I'm from Mumbai and I have a 13-year-old teenager who is ready to take the world and ready to take me up. So, I've been overall facing a lot of drama since post-COVID is when I'd say, So, COVID, the kids got worked up over over access to the internet, mobile, and overdose of the parents also. And yeah, so that's when the acting up of my teenage, who was 10 at that time, but
Yeah.
started off. And dheere dheere, I'm trying and things like that, but it was just not working. I was getting too overworked. I was getting too anxious about things. I would literally have anxiety attacks because, of course, overdose of the whole family and Tanya working up on some or the other thing would happen. So those were the stages. I was trying personally to calm her out, calm myself out, but it was not working. So then is when, I said, okay, now I need to just take a grip of my own life. And I came across Sidika and her ads and stuff, and I said, okay, I'll give that a try. So I did her workshop first, and
Mhm.
I was super impressed. So I had also tried another parenting course, but that I felt was still not up to the mark. I felt Sidika's qualification was showing through her teaching and her words. The how qualified she is, it would come across, and that was what I wanted. I needed someone who was qualified to help me out. Then I also realized I will be taking help for myself and not my daughter.
Mhm.
I am the one who needs the change. I need to learn to cope with a teenage daughter.
Mhm.
So those were my mental thoughts when I decided, yes, I'm going ahead with.
Superb. And how do you think, teenage parenting is different from younger parenting when your child is 5 or 6? And when do you think a parent needs help? Like a mother needs to, say, now I need to learn these techniques.
So I feel it's vastly different. So my girl, my baby was, she used to be the hugging person. She used to be the asking person. But with time, with maybe because of me also, of
Mm.
course, maybe at that time because of work, you'd push your child away, do things your way, or don't keep asking me, or don't bug me. I would say things like that because I was not guided. Now I know better. I shouldn't have done all of those things. But yeah, so those were those moments and times in her younger age, 5, age 7 wala stage. If I had learned to handle a child better at that stage, I would have been in a much better situation. Now, with a teenage girl who herself doesn't want the hug, who herself doesn't want the opinion of the parent, who herself would rather shut the door on my face and spend time with her friends on the internet or herself, do anything and everything, but stay away from me. So now it's turned into that situation. So, yes, everyone needs the help and needs it much sooner.
And
5
uh,
onwards is definitely the time.
so you think as soon as your child turns 5, you need to learn the communication tools, the scripts, because the
Definitely.
old techniques of, shouting or nagging or forcing don't seem to work.
They don't work at all. Of course, we learn off our parents, although, whatever the parenting they must have done was so long ago for us also. Now we're 40s. But
Yeah.
whatever little that we remember or we see around or we see on a TV or a friend or a acquaintance,
Hmm.
we may copy that off. Or it's just a bad day for us, or multiple bad days for us, and we behave
Yeah.
badly with our children.
Yeah.
All those work against us for our own future. It just goes downhill.
Mm.
So yeah, it did go downhill, I'll say for me, at some or the other portion, and then the COVID wala portion was another major downhill. So
Yeah.
too many downhills happened, and my teenager was away from me, is which is improving now, thank God. So yeah.
And I wanted to just ask you, a lot of mothers feel, oh, we should not ask for help. It's like a taboo to ask for help. Why should we kind of clean our dirty laundry, at in public? Or why should we learn parenting? Like, who learns parenting? And do you have anything to say for that?
So, so um, it that was the old way of thinking. Things have changed. I would say even for myself. So I knew I was going through crazy anxiety things. It was one whole year me trying to get a grip on everything, trying to get a grip on my life, trying to get a grip on her life, or maybe still trying to control things which I don't need to control. Now I know that I don't need to control it. But there's just so much that your head really is ready to explode. And yes, you have to figure out ki when you need the help. Maybe I would say I took help even 1 year later. I was realizing things are not going my way. My health, my head, everything was not. I did take small steps, maybe a big leap at that time. If I would have come across Sidika at that time, I would have taken the bigger leap. But that's genuinely old school thinking of not taking help. It is 100% better to take the help, help your own self, your own health improves, your head improves, your health improves. And then you stop blaming others for the mistakes you're doing, because there are mistakes happening. There are small multiple mistakes which you do, which you don't realize that they are mistakes also. Nay, this is fine, I'm saying so, but that's not, it is our own mistake. So we realize that with time, and help is needed, and we should take the help, definitely.
Yeah, awesome. And you mentioned, you reversed your health, you reversed anxiety attacks. Would you be able to elaborate on that?
Yeah.
How did you manage to actually reverse the anxiety that you were getting a few years back?
Yeah. So initially, so I started with basic meditation and gratitude. Those were the two things I had a gauge of. Then I met Siddhika, who taught me steps for it, basically the 3-step method of letting go, choosing better. That was one which helps a lot. Then recently, she's taught us the 6-step ritual of the day, which helps such a lot of forgiving a lot of people. So, because there will
With
always be.
structure, like, I mean, because YouTube and internet, frankly, has it all, right? You write down a question, you will get 100 answers. So why did you choose to come to me? And, why did you say, okay, I'm willing to spend money on something that is already available for free in the market, to be honest?
So meditation is available, but the right way of grounding yourself and moving ahead, that was taught by Siddhika. Affirmations are available, but the way of doing one and for how long and how much,
Yeah.
that is taught. And the visualization was added on, which I did not know of
Yeah.
before.
So more structured,
Yeah.
more like a, step one, step two, rather than jumping to step 10, right? So what are the three benefits that you've experienced when you joined Super Parenting Hub as a result of the parenting and the life coaching sessions?
Hmm. So basically, I started with um self change, basically enlighten my own self and what I can do for myself. So the first thing I remember was uh so of course become a lifelong learner was the biggest one. That yes, I'm not going to be stopping this. I need to keep learning, keep upgrading myself with any kind of education and get back to my old hobbies was one. Those were the things. Then there was mirror talk, which I was taught, and and cut the crap. Oh, cut the crap is like a major one in me. Every time that you hear way too many opinions or way too many thoughts of your own running in your head, like cut the crap. बहुत हो रहा है. So just cut the crap was a major one,
Yeah.
which I learned. Mirror talk was one, and every one negative thought, replace it by 5 positive thoughts.
Hmm.
So these were the techniques which Siddhika keeps teaching us, and it is amazing. So
And what
so
are the results of these techniques? So you've learned a lot of techniques, but
yeah,
what have you seen? How do you feel now in your own self? How do you feel?
I used to get too worked up with any comment coming out of my husband or my mother-in-law. So now I know better. Those things are not in my control. So hear it off, and then whatever I can choose better. I
Mhm.
can cut the crap out I can choose better, cut the crap. And if anything is making me feel negative, I can replace it with my own positive thoughts. So then that way, I don't transfer my own negative aura or energy to my daughter, which
Yeah.
used to happen, which happens very easily. I transfer it to her, then she gets pissed off and she transfers double the amount back to me. And our whole day would just go in continuous arguments all day.
Yeah.
That's how it had turned into. So I changed my own aura, my own family ethos, and the words that Sadhika keeps teaching us. So I changed those things, and then in return, of course, it starts reflecting off her. My energy starts reflecting off from her, and
Yeah.
she's become calmer. Of course, there will be those teen blowout moments. No, mama, I want to just do this. I want to get out. Let me step
Mhm.
out for this. So things of those will keep coming up, but I know better now to handle them more calmly,
Mhm.
understand her thinking. The teenage brain is as we're
Yeah.
taught, yeah. So that and
Super.
so
So, if
lo-
you can give me three adjectives to describe the before Mansi and the three
Mhm.
adjectives to describe the now Mansi, maybe in the,
Yeah.
6, 8 months of transformation, what would they be?
So I was very anxious. That was my
Okay.
personal anxiety. So that's changed to
So,
much calmer me.
so anxious to calmer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I would react. I would react.
Reactive.
Yeah. The first thing comes on my tongue, I would just say it out. Now I respond. I breathe, pause, and respond.
So, reactive to more mindful
Yeah.
responses, if I may say.
Yeah. What else was the old me? Huh. I would get triggered. So the triggers have now reduced quite a bit. There'll still be a trigger in my heart or my head, but
Yeah.
I'll be able to calm it down, okay, and
Yeah.
then deal with it.
Yeah.
Let's take a 5 minutes and then think of an answer. I'll tell Tanya, give me 5 minutes to figure out, and then
Yeah.
I'll tell you what.
So, is it fair to say that you don't get affected by other people as much, especially people you love? Your
Yeah,
daughter, your husband, your family. These are the people we love the most.
yeah,
And we feel that the more we love them, we should get affected by them. But you know what? Vice versa is true, right? If you
yeah,
love these people, you should not get actually affected by these people.
yeah, true. Yeah.
So,
So
do you
that was
feel
definitely.
somewhere that your love has increased actually because you're not getting affected by their words? Your love for them is actually increasing. It's becoming a lot more, selfless, a lot more all encompassing.
Yeah, I would say it's because my anger level has also reduced in this whole bargain. So instead of displaying only anger, now I am able to display my love, my care. And so I would still do those sacrifices previously also, but then गुस्से में होते थे वो sacrifices
Mm,
at times.
mm,
Now I do those things and I'm not angry, I'm okay. I'm able to think of the flip side. Don't think of the negative side, think of the positive that I'm getting out of every situation.
yeah,
So I'm able to achieve that better. Yeah. The
super.
basic things I'm still doing the same. I would still
Mm,
go out of the way to do things. I would still help her out in things a little bit, maybe still pampering her out. This is still my time with her. So I would do things for her. But I would not jatao it as much or make
mm,
her feel as much.
yeah.
So yeah, things have changed from my side. Yeah. And I see it coming, is it reflects back from her side also now.
Yeah. And do you feel a lot more powerful now rather than, a lot of times, mothers especially, we have a tendency of feeling victimized, right? Because we are the ones who are doing more. Let's face it. We're doing more than our husbands. We're more present at home. We have a lot more responsibility. We're looking after our husband's parents. We're looking after our children. So obviously, we are doing a lot more. And it's very natural to sometimes feel, oh my God, I am doing everything. And it's natural to feel frustrated about it. How
Definitely.
do you feel about that?
So, yes, definitely my frustration and anger level both would go together has reduced. Uh, so there would still be moments that I would feel, I am the one who is with her 24/7 the whole
Mhm.
day. So let me choose my battles, and I don't want to say anything for this one.
Yeah.
And, because the husband said, why are you not saying? I said, no, it needs to be her taking those decisions.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that comes, so now all this wise comments come out of me.
Yeah.
Before I would just simply react, why don't you go and say something? Why me? And,
Yeah.
create a quarrel out of us. So those quarrels have reduced.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
And
yeah,
you've become more assertive, maybe in a firm, in a nicer way,
yeah,
without the anger,
yeah.
without the frustration, right?
Yeah, yeah, I do know. So when I'm able to tell her also to choose her words better,
Yeah.
because there were words, a teenage girl's words can hurt you hard, really hard. So, but now I know better not to get hurt with those words because they really don't mean it. They're just
Yeah.
flowing out of their mouth.
Yeah.
And so I also realized, because I would say previous 10 years, maybe, words would flow out of my mouth so easily,
Hmm.
is what she has learned. So she has to also undo those things,
Yeah.
unlearn those things
Yeah.
along with me. So it's a both way learning process.
Absolutely.
She would still say those words because she's still the teenager who's maybe not ready to learn, but I am more knowledgeable now, so
Yeah.
I do not get hurt. Pinch
Superb.
hua, but pause yourself out. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. And to talk about your 13-year-old, what changes have you seen in her? So, especially, most mothers are looking for changes like reduction of screen, better choices, studying more goal oriented. These are the things mothers want in their children when they join the program, right? They want the child to be more future ready. So, if you can tell us, especially in these areas, of her life, what kind of difference have you seen in your growing child?
So obviously, as I said, shut door and move me out was the stage that we were at. Uh, but dheere dheere now, when I ask her for a hug, she would come give me a hug now. That was, she would rather put her hand in between when I would come to hug her. It was that bad a stage. Now she gives me a hug. Now she herself comes and gives me a hug also. Those are those few moments I get that
Mm,
also.
yeah.
That's her personal connection. So those are now there. She herself asks me for advice, which was not
Superb.
there before. Then there are things, like she went on a school trip and she bought something for all of us, grandparents and me and everyone, which was a shocker. Because so, and I do that for everyone when I'm traveling. So it's out of role modeling that she's
Yeah.
learning. So
Yeah.
I see that and it pleased me. I was like, yes. And I was asking her, how did you feel?
Yeah.
So at that moment she couldn't, but when say anything, she's like, what? Nothing. But when she gave something to her grandfather, and the surprise on her grandfather and the pleasure on his face, and then when she came back to the room and she I was like, that felt nice, right? And she was like, yeah, it's the emotional change.
Yeah.
So she
Yeah.
could relate, and that's when I could see
Wow.
emotions. So
Yeah.
yeah, so
Yeah.
though that was another one.
Superb.
Uh,
And what about, so academics, classes? Because most mothers at this age say, my child is not doing anything. They want to just jump from one class to another. They don't want to go to tuitions. They don't want to do their homework. They don't, they're not, there's no purpose. There's no self motivation to study. Did you see any kind of change in that?
so she was going a little downhill on her math. And I kept asking her, do you need the extra help, a tutor, someone? She kept refusing. It's been the whole year of eighth grade, she refused. But in December is when she realized, and we needed to search for someone for her ninth and 10th. Initially, she kept refusing for the trial classes. But then one day she herself told me, okay, let's go for this trial class. So we did two sets of trial classes. She was agreeable to go for them. Although on the first day, again, while leaving, there was this apprehension and, tallowing the time and not moving to go. We were getting late for the class. But I get it. I get it a little later, but I'm like, chalo, we need to move. So she did those. She liked, then she got used to of the idea because she'd done no tuition before. So meeting a new tutor itself was something, a change for her. Every
Yeah.
step was a change. Sitting
Yeah.
in a class with people was a change.
Sure.
Other than the school, but school
Of
you
course.
used to your set of 20 people. They're there with you. So that was a change which she accepted. Then she herself chose which of the two she wanted as a tutor. So she was open. Then she took the help for her eighth grade exams also. She went to the teacher, she took the extra class, took the help.
Mm-hmm.
And her response to I love math was like outstanding. I was on
Oh,
cloud
wow.
nine because she had
Wow.
turned into I hate math
Yeah.
to just I think one session or two session with that teacher, and I love math.
So she
And
went from I hate maths to I love maths.
correct. So that's the
Wow.
change
Wow.
a
Super.
good teacher can do, really speaking. It's
Absolutely.
basically that.
Yeah.
Finding the
Yeah.
right teacher,
Yeah.
and she herself chose it, so she was ready to go for the teacher.
Exactly. So,
And
Mansi, how would you describe her in three adjectives before you started parenting coaching and after that?
yeah, so she has become more open to suggestions.
Okay, so before,
Yeah, she
what would
would
we
say a
say
no to
before?
everything.
Okay, so
Now
no
she
to
also
everything,
listens.
to being open to suggestions,
Yeah.
um,
Her
solutions.
decision can still be a no only, but
Sure.
she'll hear you out and then okay, maybe, and then a no or a yes. But
Yeah.
she's hearing you out. That's the change. Uh, being more thoughtful, that came through the trip thing that she got something for all of us. I was thought that was amazingly thoughtful of her,
Yeah.
which
Yeah.
she would never give a second thought.
Okay. Super.
And yeah, thoughtful and concerned I seen a lot. She went out with her brothers, bought me an ice cream, which only me, so she would never do that.
Yeah. Yeah.
I was kind of needing to reschedule today, and she was like, "No, you don't cancel, drop me
Wow.
off early to someone,
Wow.
you know."
Wow.
So
Yeah.
that was also
Yeah.
thoughtful enough of her.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah. uh what else am I seeing? What else? So she was always study wise, she would study when she wanted to study, but
Yeah.
इतना बुरा हाल भी नहीं था पढ़ाई में. But now she makes better uh, planning of your day, and
Okay, that is a big thing
that
because
has improved.
teenagers don't plan their day at all. I know so many mothers keep struggling with that.
Yeah,
And, once you learn the tools and techniques, you can teach your child to better plan their day. And it
so
obviously comes by connection.
correct. So it's not, I would say, not 100% success on that level. It's still a learning process.
Yeah.
Like today only, she's because her now classes are starting, so she was like, Mama, I said, so how will you plan your day? She said,
Yeah.
okay, I will come back at 2, and then I said, then what? Then she looked at me, lunch. I said, okay,
Yeah.
lunch.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then we kept, okay, then what? And then she said, I'll do the little homework, and then I'll leave
Yeah.
for the
Yeah.
class. So she's also trying to figure out. It's still
Sure.
a process, but yeah.
Superb. Superb. And why would you recommend inner compass parenting at Super Parenting Hub to somebody else who might be on the fence, not wanting to spend money, being little worried about the time that it takes, because we as human beings, we're just very resistant to change. We want results. We all want results. But जब हमें कुछ change करना होता है, it
Yeah.
it's difficult to make
Yeah.
that decision, right? So
Yeah.
what would you say to the other mothers who really want this for themselves, for their child, for their family, but are not able to kind of take that decision?
So for starters, I would definitely say start sooner. At age 5, 6, 7 will be the best stage because your child will listen to you.
Yeah.
At teenage, it's been slow and tough for me, but it's happening. Of course, with all the subconscious training and everything, she has a zillions of tools that you have, which are so helpful. एक नहीं तो दूसरा काम कर ही जाता है वाला situation. Yes, all of those help. And moreover, it is more of self development for me. I would say
Yeah.
that. When I change, I see the change around me.
Yeah.
So I was the one who needed change. Right now you'll feel, why doesn't she change? Why doesn't he change? Why doesn't my mother in law change? Why doesn't the whole world give me a break? To your
Exactly.
frustration. But the world doesn't need to give you a break. You need to give yourself the break. And that break is taking help from you, Siddhika. And it helps so much.
Thank you.
And the cost, okay, you'll feel the pinch of a huge cost, but remember, it's lifelong. If you
Yeah.
start at age 5 or even 10, it is going to help you till age 20 for your child.
Yeah.
Then then the next stage will still continue for your own self-development.
Exactly.
So you to have
Absolutely.
a long life, which that amount is going to
Yeah.
be helping you. So it is totally, totally worth it.
Yeah.
Like I did the calculations with a psychologist and how much he would take me for 10 sessions also. And 10 sessions versus this for a lifelong is nothing. So,
Yeah.
and you make so many friends, you meet so many people. The support system is so amazing. The mothers are so amazing. So
Thank you.
it's
And
everyone,
I feel in
everyone.
today's world, I've been seeing this more and more. Everybody needs a counselor, just a counselor who can help them upgrade the quality of their life. Like we all need it. Without a counselor, we just kind of get so lost and confused because of the
Stagnant thoughts.
internet.
Yeah.
Exactly, right? Stagnant thoughts, comparison, because Instagram is showing only the beautiful part of everybody's life. What about the sad moments, the bad parts? Nobody is showing that. And when you have these bad moments, you start wondering, is something wrong with me?
Yeah.
Everybody else is having a great time with their teenager or in their own life. I am not.
Yeah.
Right?
It's
So, a
like the world is
counselor,
against you. Exactly.
yeah,
What's everything wrong in my life only? But it's not.
exactly. You get a reality check when you go to a coach or a counselor and they tell you, you know what, you're absolutely right. You
Yeah.
just need the tools to do better for yourself. And we all need tools, just like in any area of life, you need tools for everything, right? So these are parenting tools and life tools that we all need,
So yes.
right?
Yes.
It's superb. Anything else that you would like to share with all the people that are watching? Anything else that has really benefited you? One area of your life that you truly feel very happy with right now, specifically?
Yeah. So I used to always also declare myself as an emotional person. And I was like the cry person, किसी ने कुछ कह दिया और उस समय या बाद में मेरे तो रोना छूट जाता था. That was, had become my personality. But I was able to overcome that also. And
Wow.
I realized that with an incident happening in the last month, and I did not cry. And I was able to finish off the incident and go to sleep as calm as ever.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I would literally somehow sleep for some duration, raat ko utke walking around in the room because
Wow.
it was working up in my head.
Yeah.
Those were my usual steps, the whole night ruined. When you realize your night is ruined, your morning gets worse and everything. It's all the cycle. But so much of myself has changed. And I really love the new me, even if
Superb.
I there will be lows, there will be moments, there are
Yeah.
these parents-in-law not being well and extra time going there, not being able to pay attention to a few things. My hobbies are down the drain as of now. ठीक है, this is a moment, this is a phase, this shall pass too, and I will get back to it.
Absolutely.
It's a hobby
And
I
can
used.
you share maybe any one negative habit that you have really broken through our platform?
Yeah, so I felt this emotional thing was one which I
Yeah.
gauged.
Yeah.
My anxieties, I don't get anxious enough.
Wow.
That has changed.
Superb.
These two
Superb.
personally, yeah. And
Amazing.
yeah, and towards Tanya, I would say, yeah, I'm not that reactive enough. The reaction still
Yeah.
comes in my head, but I'm able to
Yeah.
keep quiet.
Yeah. And
And
that's what your teenager needs, right? You trust her maybe more, like she feels that you trust her because you don't react,
yeah,
at least outside.
I'm
You may be
hoping that
reacting in your head.
I would still say that's a little bit of a growing stage of trust,
Yeah.
still more. I have
Yeah.
to show more belief, which I'm able to.
Okay.
I let go, I allow her out. Okay, go out. But then I do, as a parent, I do end up asking her those questions: where, what, when, timing. Those
Sure.
are basics, which she also has to get used to. I will give you permission, but
Yeah.
the questions will follow.
Yeah.
Those are still there. Yeah, she knows a lot of words which I use as gratitude and consequence. She knows I am working on myself.
Hmm.
So she appreciates that. She knows if mama is trying to make changes in herself. So
Yeah.
she also makes those changes in herself. So
Amazing.
yeah, it's there.
Amazing.
It's
And
there.
if you were to rate yourself in your overall quality of life, let's say health, wealth, mindset, family, relationships, parenting, before and after, like you're sharing, where would you say that you stand now?
I
in
would
all
say I
these
was at a
areas?
2 or a 3 maybe. Because it would be if I'm doing better at one end, I would be down at the other end.
Yeah,
So that was constantly happening. Now I'm definitely at a 8 or a 9.
in all areas of your life.
Yeah, pretty much. So
Mm.
not 10 because of course, there's still scope. I know.
Sure. Yeah.
So I'm not 10 yet, but definitely an 8 at all areas. Yeah. Yeah, I
Superb.
think so.
Superb. And how much time do you think it took you, if you were to say that? How
It
long
took
did
me
it
time.
take you to
It
get
took me
changes?
time because maybe, yeah, personally, I'm a slow learner. I was really downhill. And of course, it's 40 years training for my own mindset, which I
Yeah.
needed to change. So 40 years for me and 13 years for Tanya.
Yeah.
So it's a slow process. It
Yeah.
happened slow for me, but I
Yeah.
do see so much changes in the group. I see so many moms and they get success so well and so
Yeah.
fast, and I feel so happy for them. And
Amazing.
yeah, it's
And
a little slow for me, but fast for
and
many.
that's what neuroplasticity is, right? The older we get, the harder it becomes to break patterns, to break habits,
Yeah,
to break anything that is kind of blocking our success, right? The
definitely.
younger we are, easier it is, especially once we go to perimenopause and menopause. It really becomes hard to change habits,
Yeah, yeah,
right?
yeah,
So, what
definitely.
is the last question I'm going to ask you? The last piece of advice you would like to give everybody who is interested in truly living a better life with themselves and for their family?
So my advice is don't think twice. You want the change in your life, then bring the change in yourself, and
Yeah,
that is with the help, of course. You can't just magically do it. You need the help. Everyone needs a help. Send a child to the school to change, educate, and we spend the money also. So we do that for a child. We can do that for ourselves. We can change ourselves and change our life and our surroundings. So we do invest in ourselves. So go ahead, do it, and it will only be beneficial. There is no other way. It went down, कि पैसे वेस्ट हो गए या मेरे महीना या टाइम वेस्ट हो गया, वो तो होना ही नहीं है. You given the money and you given the time, and the change will come
and
100%.
for mothers who are scared, how much time? Matlab, is it a lot of time? Apne kitna in a day? What do you think? What is the minimum time that they can give and get results
So
with what you have seen?
initially so that you cover up the courses faster, 1 hour is max. It's
Yeah,
and then when you get better with it, and when I am well versed and I'm doing a revision too for it, 20 minutes is more than enough.
yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
So initially you give in a little bit more.
Yeah, it depends on your
Yeah.
seriousness also,
Yeah.
right? Your desire. If
Yeah.
you're very serious about it, you will spend more time. And if you're not very serious, you'll spend less time. So it depends on how much you want something. How badly do you want it, right?
And actually, the thing is, as soon as you start seeing the success in the tiniest of things, then you will realize, oh, let me just give in that extra 5 minutes, 10 minutes,
Yeah,
15 minutes. It'll
yeah.
help me only. So that comes in. That really does.
Superb. And then instead of, wasting your time on Star Plus or Netflix or other things,
Scrolling. Yeah.
scrolling the
Scrolling,
social
shopping.
media, yeah, shopping, you start doing this, which actually kind of makes
Yeah.
you feel,
Because you can negotiate the work, pass on the work, finish your work, you'd hurry up, do the work faster, and you can remove that time. It's just
yeah,
about that.
yeah.
Before the child comes back home, figure out that extra 1 hour कहीं से निकाल लूं, आधा घंटा कहीं से निकाल लूं, and you will be able to do it. And the success
Absolutely.
that you'll see now, उसके बाद तो you feel addicted to it. You have
Yeah.
to come back. The addiction is
Superb.
much more.
Superb. And Mansi, I know I want to share with everybody. Mansi is somebody who's been going back to our recordings, even the live classes that she's attended. She keeps going back to that. And do you see a change in that old picture, Mansi, in the video and the
Yeah.
Mansi that you see now when you're watching that video?
Definitely, definitely. I see a few of my low moments on those, and how much it has helped me and how much of a changed person I am. I
Yeah.
can see the change in me. Yeah.
Superb. Awesome, Mansi. More power to you.
Thank you.
Keep embracing yourself, and every challenge is just going to help you. All the skills, all the tools that you're learning are going to truly help you make the most of every moment of your life. All my very best to you. Thank you so much.